Ever wondered how the two South Asian giants, India and Pakistan, stack up against each other? These two nations, born from the same womb of history, have followed divergent paths since their birth. Our comparison today will explore these paths in terms of economy, education, and technological advancements. We will delve into the economic prowess, gauge the strides made in education, and scrutinize the technological leaps each has taken. So, without further ado, let's dive into the specifics and see how these two nations fare against each other. Starting with the economy, which is a major indicator of a country's progress. Let's take a look at the gross domestic product, or GDP. India, with its booming tech and service sectors, boasts a significantly higher GDP than Pakistan. The GDP growth rate and per capita income also follow a similar trend. Factors like foreign investments, diversified industries, and a larger workforce contribute to these differences. So while both nations face their economic battles, there's a clear disparity. Clearly, each nation has its own strengths and challenges when it comes to economy. Moving on to education, which is the backbone of any thriving society. Let's delve into the literacy rates of both nations. India has made substantial strides, while Pakistan is not far behind. The investment in the education sector varies, with India investing more, and the results are palpable in the number of universities globally recognized. The reasons behind these disparities could be manifold, from cultural to economic factors. Education, thus, paints a different picture for both countries. Finally, let's delve into the realm of technology, an undeniable force in today's world. When we compare India and Pakistan, we see two distinct narratives. India, with its booming tech startups and significant investment in the tech sector, has carved out a place in the global tech ranking. On the other hand, Pakistan, though smaller in scale, has shown promising growth and innovation. Differences in governmental policy and economic conditions play a big part in shaping these narratives. In terms of technology, each country has its unique journey and accomplishments. So, is India really better than Pakistan? Well, as we've journeyed through economy comparisons, literacy rates, and technological advancements, it's clear that each nation presents its own unique strengths and challenges. It's not a competition, but a shared journey of growth. The key is in understanding, respecting, and learning from each other. As neighbors, both countries have the potential to contribute to each other's progress. In the end, it's not about which country is better, but about how they can learn from each other and grow together.